like it has enough cylinders. Yeah, it was like, I swear he broke the clutch in like 5K.
Are you his girlfriend? Okay, that explains that. We obviously want to hear something from the crowd, so if you like what you don't like, tell us it sucks, tell us if you like it. I know you will. I know you will.
I'm very quiet, but I'm gonna. That's like the alpha big boy stuff when they got a 4-leaf. I forget what it's called. They're like, it's like their professional vehicles.
Who do you guys think is the last one?
The launcher!
Alright, it will be Nate Hoffman in his 90s Skyline, who is already up the line. So, we are thinking, what do you guys think? You think we can get to our top pick on this one? So we really want to hear it from you, the crowd. Cheer on for your favorite on this round. Because probably the second one is intriguing. Alright, let's send it.
I don't even know what these fucking guys were saying. The speaker's like fucking pissing in the wind.
Next up, we have
So like you can see him moving in there.
He's like a little boy. He's like a little boy.
You gotta get a Guntani on it.
next up, we're going to have Shane Dr. Lee. 5, sorry.
Torque Store was hilarious. Centrifugal supercharged.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
Definitely. They sound.
they're backwards.
2007 Trailblazer from Jack McKenna. Send it, Jack. And unfortunately, he's losing.
Really?
Can't spin.
Anyway. Hit it anyways. Fuck it. Boom, RT.
5.7 lifter dick.
Yeah.
Yeah! Show off.
5.7 suck. Fucking hate 5.7. Not good. 5.9 Magnum. Make us cement lower on it. Trying to talk shit. My daughter.
I think it's something like that. I'm very shocked there is none of that.
Yeah.
Is that a sedan? That a sedan? Just got one of those back in the day.
Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of David. How did you see the...
He loud too. He loud too.
It's a 62 Plymouth Savoy with a 360. It's a 5 Magnum. Flip manifolds. Big 80mm turbo. Blows the car. Makes like 8 Jones or Sills Tower. And it sounds insane. It sounds so good. Yeah. Yes. And a 62 push button transport.
Yeah.
That's good for a Cadillac, right? No?
Yeah, that's a black one. That's a.
Your turn, send it.
I like the way that roll though. I like the ground. That's a nice car.
Because the judges, they want to see 2 more cars. So, thank you, David. Bring David back now. We'll do the same car. All right, Todd, it is your turn. Send it.
Yeah.
Fuck the Mustang!
Push rod! Push rod!
Push rod! Push rod!
loud, bro.